What it do, man? You know, another day, another dollar, man. You know, I'm talking about Funk House in the building, representing this shit, holding it down. Y'all better go follow a nigga on this Twitter or something, man. You know what I mean? Go hit that follow button, man. At Funk House, you know what I mean? FONKHOUSE. Let's get this motherfucking money, man. The competition with myself. New album. Dropping real soon. You know what I mean? Highly anticipated. 80% produced by G Unit. Dope Pesci, what up? G-ya! Let's get it, man. Oh, this is how I'm riding right now, too, though. That's how I move around these streets, though. You know what I mean? That's how I gets it in, though. Real proper lot, though. You know what I'm saying? I don't play with the game, man. I am the game. You know what I mean? Come on now. Hello. Chia. Hello. You know what I mean? Like I say, though, man. FAG, man. Funk House Entertainment, man. In the building. Live in your motherfucking face like makeup. And I'm just saying, though, my nickname should be Facial. You know what I mean? Diamonds flawless, need an appraisal, go ahead, I'm a baller. Gia! Funk House.